Welcome back to Poe Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a notebook, like a journal mockup in Canva. I'm going to show you how to do it today, and I'm working in Canva Pro. Let's get it. You see this in the other video. I showed you how to put this together, a background like this and one like this. Okay, I showed you how to put them together. The thing is, I downloaded them as PNG files. Okay, these two, the front and the back. So I'm going to show you how to put this mockup together right here in Canva. These two, I'll show you how I went about them. I'll put another page and I'll go to elements and I'll look for spiral, notebook spiral. Okay, and I found this one. Let's take this one, select it, and you see here actually you can change the colors because this color profile popped up. These are the colors that are in here. So when you click on the white, you can add another color in there. You see that it becomes brown. So it depends on what color you want in it. If you select this, you see it becomes browner. Let's say we're going to make it a little bit goldy, the gray. I'll put this color. Okay, let's see this gray too. I think it's the same color. Okay, you see the color is changing right there. It's a nicer color. Okay, we have this here. The next thing I'm going to do, I'll go back to elements and I'll go to grids. Grid, you see grids, these grids are like the frames, and I'll select this one and it's big and I'll make it smaller. So that they can fit on this paper, on this yeah, let's see, I'll fit it like this. Okay, it's a notebook. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to my uploads, because like I said, I downloaded the paper and then I uploaded them back in here. Okay, so I'll select this and then I will move it around the frame and it will catch it. You see that? The frame will catch it. Put the frame like it will catch it. And now we'll go look for a background for the frame. Let's go to elements. What is the name of this? Blur. I type blur. Yeah, you have different blurs. I used the gray one. Let me see, rectangle. Blur black rectangle. I think it's this one. Okay, this one is in Canva Pro. So if you have Canva Pro, you will be able to use it. I'm gonna rotate it. Drag it a little bit. No, send it to the background position backwards. Let's see what we can do here. Bring everything down. Let's select the blur and drag it a little bit to show the shadow behind the book. Little bit. No, not here. Here. And here. Okay, maybe we need to make the book a little bit smaller. Select the ring, hold shift, select the book, paper, and then make it a little bit smaller. Go with this one. And then no, here is wrong, it's not here. And then push it to the side a little bit. Only go with here, push it to the side. Yeah, now we have, okay, yeah, now we have the first mock-up. Let's put it in the middle of the paper. This is the front of the notebook. Okay, let's go to the back of the notebook, duplicate this one. Okay, and remove right click, detach image, and then we're going to delete this image, and then we have this left. And now we go back to our uploads where we uploaded the back of the book, and then we drag it over, and then we have the back. Okay, one thing we can do, let's see, if you want both on the same page, select this one. Actually, it won't group, it will not group. You make it a little bit smaller. If you want, you can download them into your computer before you change it up like this. Select this one, make it a little bit smaller, and duplicate it and bring it up here to the other page. Okay, bring it up right here and rotate it a little bit also. Okay, and send everything here to the back. Keep it selected, position backward. It needs to go to the back. Okay, yeah. So this is the back and the front of the notebook, and then you can put your name here and everything, your brand and all that. So you can download this, you can download it with a white background, or if you're putting it on something else, you can download one with a white background and one with a transparent background. The way you download it, go to share, download. If you want to download it with a transparent background, you select transparent and you go here, you deselect all pages and you choose only page 8. Okay, done, and download. And this one is with a transparent background. Okay, say you want to download this one with a background, you don't have to check this. You just go to all pages, deselect all pages. You want only page 8. Click on done. Nothing here selected, and then download. So you have your mockups like this one. This is the one with background, and this is the one without a background. And you can use these to promote your journal covers that you're making on social media, and yeah, on social media for buyers to see. Or you can post these, you can create listings with these on Etsy also. Okay, this one would work. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and tell me if my classes are helping you. And also watch for the next class where I show you another way to upskill and make money from your AI images. Thank you so much for watching.